Hello G-Lovers, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how to make slime. So, yeah. And I'm using my tablet because I don't have a camera, so yeah. I made this one like berry right now, and I kind of don't like this one anymore. Like, I have too much farms. And I got this because, yeah, my mom bought it for me. So thank you, Mom. It's like this little box. I put all my glues in here, if you could see them. So, and then I bought 6 glues, but I already used I used 3 already, so yeah. Well, I'm going to show you what you need and how to make it. So what you need is a glue that you can't find anywhere because farm. And then some blocks and water. I have it in here. And then where's my shaving cream? Okay. And then some shaving cream, and that's it. And a bowl or a plate, whatever, and a mixing tool. And this is probably be bad, but I don't care. So I'm going to add my glue now. Ask your parents' permission. I'm hearing that kids are getting sick by this. Okay, so I added all my glue. So this is how it looks right now. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add my shaving cream. This is optional, but if you want it fluffy, then add shaving cream. If you don't, then don't add it. So now you want to mix. I like this one when you like mix and mix like a little thingy. And my family speaks Spanish and English, and yes, my family drink if you're asking. And if you hear some noises in the background, that's them outside. I'm inside the kitchen, so they're outside. So I wanted to make mine very fluffy, so I'm adding a lot, and this smells so good. Trust me, good. Oops. And I got this in the dollar store. So. Whoop. So now, what you want to do after you add your shaving cream and glue, it might look like, how do you say it? Whipped cream or marshmallow sauce or something like that. But and water, you could add it, but I don't personally like adding it. But yeah, and food coloring and glitter, optional, completely optional. So I finished mixing. It looks like this so far. It's kind of liquidy right there. Sorry about my thumb. So now you want to add a little bit of borax slowly, like very slow, and a little bit by time. And I've already added a little drop, and it's turning to like slime, like hello. And you can use laundry detergent, but I have a whole box of borax and water, like a whole box of borax. So I'm like, I have to finish this borax and water. But I have laundry detergent either way. So add more if you need to. You could like into your consistency that you want. If you want it sticky, just don't add that much of borax. But yeah. So I'm just mixing, and this is how it looks so far. Okay, I added too much. If you add a lot, then it might get hard, just saying. So yeah. I think I have enough so far. So maybe just wipe this whole thing off the spoon. No, mixing tool. I think that's good. But I have brought some more my slice, so maybe add a little bit before I get my hands all into it. Right now, I'm getting my hands into it. So you just want to knead it until you get the right consistency. And I recommend you rolling it to like get it off your hands if it gets stuck. Like this one, like it's going to get stuck either way. Depends what you're using. Like, look at that. And I heard people, like kids that are doing this is getting sick. So look up the stuff before you do this. Because I was watching a YouTube video, and this girl went to the doctor for a long time. The girl went to the doctor 2 times in a week, and she is so bad sick. So, like, she's not that sick, but she is, and she can't. Her mom is getting all her slime out, but I'm not getting sick. So when I start getting sick, I will throw my slime away. So far, I'm good, cause I'm not getting sick. Oh, do you guys like that counting on? Sorry about the big video. I'm just cleaning my bowl. You can see here, it's getting kind of clean. So, I'm going to say a Spanish word or whatever. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Qué va a estar hablando de comer?
So now, mine is not that stretchy. Like, it's stretchy, like, a lot. But it's kind of hard and not pokey. Because I added too much of... Hey, it's kind of, but not that much. Because I added, I think, too much of barks or something. And it's kind of hard and... Awesome. I'm just going to get my slime after this video. Right now, when I'm talking, just clean the spoon with my slime. And then just knead it. I like that thing. So yeah, I'm going to mix it. Oh, I don't like this already. And you have to put it in like a container, because it might like, if you don't put it in a container, it might like get hard. Yeah, okay. And it will like get hard and you can't play with it anymore. And you can't fix it. Or I tried fixing it. I need more glue or wax, but no good for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below what else you want me to do next, and peace out.